Want to bake the most awesome ever cupcakes? Or surprise your family with breakfast tacos on Sunday morning? Looking for a quick snack after school? Or maybe something special for a sleepover? It's all here. Learn to cook like a pro, it's easier than you think. For the first time ever, America's Test Kitchen is bringing their scientific know-how, rigorous testing, and hands-on learning to kids in the kitchen. Using kid-tested and approved recipes, America's Test Kitchen has created the cookbook every kid chef needs on their shelf. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your friends, or your family, the Complete Cookbook for young chefs has delicious recipes that will wow. Recipes were thoroughly tested by more than 750 kids to get them just right for cooks of all skill levels, including recipes for breakfast, snacks and beverages, dinners, desserts, and more. Step-by-step photos of tips and techniques will help young chefs feel like pros in their own kitchen, testimonials, and even some product reviews from kid test cooks who worked alongside America's Test Kitchen will encourage young chefs that they truly are learning the best recipes from the best cooks. By empowering young chefs to make their own choices in the kitchen, America's Test Kitchen is building a new generation of confident cooks, engaged eaters, and curious experimenters. Find the link below and buy the book now.